is on the ground, and the sounds of an 84-year-old Pere Marquette steam locomotive fill the air. We are in Owosso, Michigan, home of the famous 1225. On this evening, the Pere Marquette 1225 will run an evening North Pole Express train up to Ashley, Michigan. Before they depart, we will take in the sights and sounds of the real Polar Express. The locomotive eases its 16-car train north out of Owosso, blowing its classic whistle announcing its departure. On the rear is former Mark GP40WH-2 number 57, which is providing head-end power to the cars and will lead the train south later this evening. At Carland, we would get the famous Carland elevator shot as the Blue Hour comes to a close. Banister would be our next location as the train storms north. Just south of Ashley, we would view the 1225 crossing an irrigation ditch at Roosevelt Road.
Can you wait just 1 minute? You wait just 1 second.
After just over an hour of running, we would watch as the train arrived into Ashley, Michigan. The town is set up as a Christmas village where passengers can see Santa and enjoy the festivities.
Oh gosh, depending on the level. I don't know. Yeah. Can't tell.
The Pere Marquette 1225 is a Michigan classic, and we enjoyed seeing this locomotive back in steam. Thanks for watching, and we hope you have a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
Yeah, they do.
They're upstairs over there when you get off down there. Yeah.
I don't think that's record Amtrak cars. Oh, is it all the way back this year?